Hello friends, today I have modern social media post bundle. Here is a scarce social media post, and second is vertical, and third is horizontal social media post. Okay, first I show you. Here is two folder. First is preview and main files. So first you see preview, just a background picture, and write your text like a fashion designer sale way to style top with jeans. Okay, here is a scare, and these are in APS file, AI and PSD, Adobe Illustrator user, and here is Photoshop user, you see, and here is verticals, preview, all file in verticals, and here is horizontal, and like a landscape, hot and new issue. So I open this file, you see, just drag to Photoshop and change color and import your image here. For example, like this. Oh, okay, these are in high definition, but don't worry, you see here, and change color, address color, make a fantastic design, and here is you write your text. I know you can do better, and close this file. So sale, or here you import your background image and write your any content like this. Drag to Photoshop, double click for background. We need like this. This image in high definition, so convert into 1000. Sorry, we need 3000. Oh, enter. Control S, and you see here, look like a design, or you adjust your on full area. Okay, now write your any content, you put here your image, for example like this, and convert to 6 or 1000. Right click, create clipping mask, and this photo in circle, so you can increase more size like this, and remove it, import any other photo, so depend your own choice. Here is horizontal AI in Adobe Illustrator user, and next is vertical, main files, PSD, and hot and fashion issue. Okay, so your text here, write your text, change it, your graphics like a shapes, box, you like renderings overlay, change color, or more bevel like a 3D effects. Okay, you see, change color, and change frame color. Here is our background. Double click. Adobe stock, so convert to 100, oh sorry, 2000. Here is better, I think. Control S, and you see your image is behind. First is you can do easily. First is very easy. You can just change your background and write your own content here. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe our channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.